The SCMAGLEV and Railway Park is a railway museum owned by Central Japan Railway Company, JR Central, in Nagoya, Japan. The museum opened on 14 March 2011. The Class C62 is Japan's largest and fastest steam locomotive to haul passenger trains. In 1954, C62-17 set the world speed record of 129 km per hour for narrow-gauge steam locomotive. The 300X was developed in pursuit of the ultimate in high-speed railway systems. In 1996, this set the world high-speed record at the time 443 km per hour in the category of the electric multiple unit. In 2003, MLX-01-1 superconducting maglev attained the world high-speed record at the time of 581 km per hour for the railway at the Yamanashi maglev test line. Adjacent to symbolic rolling stock hall you will find 32 kinds of rolling stock that have contributed to improving the railway transportation, making it safer and faster, and also improving customer service. Among these are the Series 0, Series 100, Series 300 and Series 700 that were the flagship trains of the Tokaido Shinkansen and employed the latest technology of those days. You will also find the Class ED11, Class Moha 1, and Class Moha 52 rolling stock of yesteryear, which were on the cutting edge of each era. The Class Kuha 381 and the Class Kiha 181 also contributed to the modernization of railway by employing the most advanced technology of those days. The speed and convenience of railway was further improved thanks to the birth of these trains. The relic train area showcases precious rolling stock of historical and technological value. 13 rolling displays include familiar ones such as Shinkansen vehicles, electric rail cars, diesel rail cars and passenger car as well as service cars. Shinkansen exhibits include buffet car and first class green car for the Series 0. Other exhibits include Class Moha 63 electric rail car, produced from 1944 during World War II, Class Kiha 48,000 diesel rail car that can control multiple cars from single driver's cabin, and Class Oron 10 passenger car, which is a first-class sleeping car modeled after European passenger cars. The Class Oya 31 detects obstacles while running. The car has contact sensors fitted around the car body, and was designed to test whether a train would interfere with structures along its tracks during operation. It was used after laying new railway tracks. As the name suggests, you will see and learn a lot more about the SCMAGLEV, superconducting magnetic levitation, system that is currently being developed and tested. Lots of interactive exhibits that shows and lets the audience learn about how this system works, providing knowledge to educate the wider audience about this. Also featured heavily in this park is the current high-speed train, the Shinkansen, about the inner workings, the supporting system and how the network works. Especially impressive is how they managed to deduct the inner workings and explain it in a very easy and understandable way. You can at least spend 2 to 3 hours in this place and learn a lot about the Japanese train system. The museum features 39 full-size railway vehicles and 1 bus exhibit, train cab simulators, and railway model dioramas. The museum seeks to educate visitors on the advances in high-speed rail in Japan and displays a number of actual trains, including historic steam locomotives, world record-setting experimental Shinkansen, bullet train, and the latest magnetic levitating trains, maglev. Several dozen retired train cars are on display. On the wall is a replica of the Grand Clock, a symbol of the 3rd Nagoya station. Many of them can be entered or viewed from underneath, and are accompanied by a host of exhibits explaining the different parts of the trains and all aspects of their operation and maintenance. Another section of the museum is dedicated to maglev trains and JR Central's plans to construct a maglev high-speed link between Tokyo and Osaka. The second floor of the museum also has lots of learning experiences, which are specifically geared toward young children. Jitsugakame Station is a railway station in Nakaku, Hamamatsu, Shizuoka Prefecture, Japan. The station is an unattended station with a single ground-level island platform. The station building is a 4-story building, with the upper floors as private condominiums. The station building has automated ticket machines and automated turnstiles which accept the Nice Pass smart card as well as ET card, a magnetic card ticketing system. Jitsugakame Station was established on 6 December 1909 as a Chiba station. It was renamed to ENSH Chiba Station in 1926. The station gained its present name with the opening of a large drivers' training school nearby in 1966. The station has been unmanned since September 1974.